Hello everyone, today we're showing you the famed DD1 Simon Phillips edition. Simon Phillips himself has recorded his own drum kit at home with his equipment, with the drums that you hear on so many Toto records, and sent the samples exclusively to us so we can use them in this great module so you can sound just like Simon Phillips, and you will only get this at the music store. Just like the famed DD1 Professional, which you can see here, there's the video link to that kit. This set also features the mesh hats that you can tune to your liking, just like a regular acoustic drum. And you also get the same great velocity layers, like the harder you strike the drum, the sound will change, and it's very intricate. And check it out, we have a short clip of that here. Another great feature of this set is that it comes with a bass drum pedal and also a real HiHat stand. Nice features about this pedal are you get your tuning key here with the holder, which is very convenient. The attachment for the hoop is now on the side, so you won't pinch your fingers here any longer. You got rubber padding to not damage the hoop of your bass drum should you use it with an acoustic drum. And it's very, very high quality. Very solid, very smooth action. And as you can see, it features the same blue as the module, just as a little nice touch. Another cool feature is the high-quality HiHat stand. And if you choose to play with a double pedal, you can simply open this screw and twist the legs to accommodate your second pedal right here. So there you have it, the features of the famed DD1 Simon Phillips edition. Come to the music store, check it out, you won't regret it. We'll see you next time. Thank you for tuning in.